Hello everyone. In this video, we will see a new exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to add tables or data from web files or web pages to QlikView. So we can connect the data, we can load the data from the web files or from the web pages directly into this particular sheet. This is the PTO sheet. So how we can do this? You can go to either this file menu and click on this particular edit script, or you can also press Ctrl E. Now you can have an option over here, web files. So you have to load the data from the web files. So I have copied the link. I'll show you the link. So this is the basically link, tjobalert.com. So I have copied this particular link and we will take this particular table. This is the table. So this is the database first. So I'll paste over here. So I have pasted over here. Then click on next. Now it is going to show us the preview, whichever we want. It's going to show. So in HTML format we want it. So at the rate 1 or at the rate 2, whichever we want. So that is going to be shown in the preview. Then click on next, next, next. A code is going to be generated and that you can see in this particular edit script window. Click on finish. You can see that the code is being generated and the data which we have imported from this particular web file in the QlikView.com. I'll click on OK. I'll click on reload, so that the data will be getting loaded. The table from that particular web file or web page is getting loaded. And if you want to see this, you can press Ctrl plus P. So we can see that this particular data is being loaded. Dedicated to Pride Corridor Corporation of India Limited. This is the advertisement published in tabular format. Now, if you want to import that particular table, you can right click over here, go to the new sheet object and click on the table box. So I'll write over here as advertise. Either I will write over here as job. Government job advertised. So I'll add it. I'll click on apply. So at the moment I have click on apply. You can see that the table is being pasted in this particular canvas. So click on OK. So I have given the name to this particular window as, to this particular table as, title is given as government job advertisement. So I hope you have understood how to take the data from web files or web pages. Thanks for watching.